Hi everyone, my name is Parker Latham, and today we're doing this tutorial on how to make some Valentine's party bags. I've already got my party bag, so all what we're gonna do is decorate our party bag. So I've got this party bag, and it's very majestic. So I'll show you. Please remain seated to see the most realistic, most outrageous, most phenomenal heart-shaped party bag. Ta-da! But also, we're going to have some goodies and some not really stickers, but we could add some stickers. So what we're gonna do is add the goodies in the end. So guys, I'll show you what I'm gonna put in my party bag. So I got this party bag, and it's almost Valentine's Day. It's Sunday, and I cannot really film with this on my camera, but I think I'm gonna add these on my legging. Yeah, this should be good. So I'm gonna put this on my stand. Okay. Hold on, I think I got something here. Got noises all over. This doesn't seem to be cooperating with this party bag tutorial. I guess you're gonna have to see it tilted. Or I guess I'm gonna just have to show you it. So, this is going to be one of the shortest tutorials I've ever filmed, and I'm going to show you one of my active goodies I want. So guys, I'm going to get my party bag goodies. Guys, I prepared my goodies. Now it's time to decorate them. I'm going to put you guys right here. See if I can get this. This is maybe unlucky. So guys, I've got these items. Some sprinkles, a Valentine's heart, some bagels, a toy heart, some money, and I got some stickers. First one I'm gonna put in. So what I'm gonna put in, first I'm gonna put in this. Next, let's add these sprinkles. Guys, if you do not know what bagels are, a bagel is a kind of donut, but it is a little different. They are very slightly bigger, and they can be found in almost every store. They include them in Publix, Einstein's, Dunkin' Donuts, and all over the place. So now what we're gonna do is now add the bagel. Now we're gonna add this Valentine's heart. Now, to see this Valentine's heart that I created in the tutorial that I made, you have to go all the way down to till it is an upside down heart. So now what we're gonna do is just add the heart. Let's put the stickers. Well done. I've created my very own Valentine's party bag. Yay! Yay! So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you do, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time.